I love LG TVs and LG monitors with the external power supply because then when it burns out, you can just replace it and plug it in. So, my only problem with it is that the plug is really crap. It doesn't fit with anything. So I replaced it with a standard uh, you find on routers and all sorts of things that use from 5 to 24 volts. I desoldered the old plug, cut off a bunch of legs also, and soldered in the new one. All I have to do now is to cut a rectangular hole. I mean, make the hole bigger on the back panel of the monitor to make this fit, and I'm done. I can use my old plugs. But the funniest thing that happened is that I found this plug from a universal power adapter, and this fits perfectly into uh, this. Yeah, just my luck. So yeah, I had this plug and never knew about it, but as you can see, it has a problem. One of the legs broke off, so I would have had to fix this if I wanted to use it. And the other leg is also very fragile. I took apart a bunch of these before, and they are really flimsy. I don't think they can do all the amps they promise, not even if they work, because it's very thin and flimsy, and yeah. So that's why I hate these plugs. Yeah, maybe if you buy a better universal power supply, it has a good plug. But yeah, I'll keep replacing these with simple plugs or with these from LED. These were originally sold for LED controllers, LED lights, RGB, whatever. So you can also wire this one and have the wire sticking out the back and have 2 amps. I think this can only handle 2 amperes, which is like 40 watts on 19 volts, which LG monitors use, or like 25 watts on 12 volts. So yeah, a little bit of a lesson for me, but also, yeah, this is the simplest solution for me. I know these plugs really well. They work always, and you can always get a power supply with such a plug. And yeah, this is a 19-inch monitor that got a second life now with a proper plug. Before, I only had some wires twisted in this. So I had the wire going around in the big circle and a screw inserted into the small hole. So yeah, that was the positive and negative. Now it's much better. You can simply unplug the power supply and yeah, hopefully it will last. This has some use cases even though it only has a VGA connector. And yeah, I like it because it's LED and needs only about 10 watts. So yeah, for whatever you want, maybe even a smart control hub, whatever, connect the Raspberry Pi to it and monitor everything on it. It can run all day because it doesn't need any real power. So yeah, that's why I like LG monitors and TVs. Maybe I'll get some more soon with dead power supplies, and I just plug in one of these things and I have a new TV slash monitor.